So what is basicity of an acid? Basicity of acid. Nice. Okay, so what does this word mean now? Okay, so this stands for the number of replaceable hydrogen ion in an acid. The number of replaceable hydrogen ion in an acid. Nice. So, like I told you before, acids in water, they tend to ionize. They form cations, okay, and anions. Nice. So, the number of replaceable cations, that's the number of replaceable hydrogen ion when an acid ionizes, is called basicity. Okay, for example, you have HCl. Okay, you have HCl. Okay, so once this young man ionize, it's going to form hydrogen ion plus chloride ion. Nice. So you only have one hydrogen ion here. So the number, so the number of hydrogen ion that is replaceable when an acid ionizes is basicity of that acid. I'll go over it again. The number of this hydrogen ion, okay, that tends to exist when an acid ionizes, okay, is basicity. Nice. So this hydrogen ion now, they can be replaced by metallic ion, okay, or they can go to form hydroxonium ion. Okay, nice. So this hydrogen ion here, okay, they can go further to be replaced by a metal, that's a metallic ion, or they can combine with water to form a hydroxonium ion. But for you to understand this now, okay, just know that when an acid ionizes, okay, this is the ionization of acids. Nice. So when this acid ionizes, the number of replaceable hydrogen ion when it ionizes is the basicity. Okay, so this hydrogen ion here now can be replaced by a metallic ion, or hydroxonium ion. Nice, because you can check some definition. They will tell you that this basicity stands for the number of replaceable metallic ion of an acid, or the number of replaceable hydroxonium ion of an acid. Okay, it's nice. So you get this metallic ion now, they tend to replace the number of hydrogen ion in that particular acid. So for example now, HCl that have ionized to form this. So we only have one. We only have one replaceable hydrogen ion. You can only replace only one of hydrogen. Okay, but for example, in H2SO4, okay, once this young man ionizes, it's going to form hydrogen ion plus H plus SO4, SO4 2 minus. So when H2SO4 ionizes, this is ionization. So if you check the replaceable hydrogen ion here, you're going to see that it is 2. It is not 1 here. Okay, over here it's 1 replaceable hydrogen ion. But down here, it is 2 replaceable hydrogen ion. So here it is mono. Here it is mono, but here it is monophasic. But here is diphasic. Are you following? Yes. So the number of replaceable hydrogen ion in an acid is basicity. Nice. So there's a likely exam question that tends to confuse students. Okay, and that's ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, also called propanoic acid. Okay, so this acid is CH3COOH. Nice. So once this young man ionizes, it is going to give you a CH3COO minus and hydrogen ion. So these are the ionization. So because it has four hydrogen atoms here, that doesn't mean that it is tetraphasic. Tetraphasic. It doesn't mean that because it has four hydrogen atoms here, doesn't mean that it has 4 replaceable hydrogen ions. Okay, because once this young man ionizes, it ionizes partially. Okay, it ionizes partially in water. So this is the ionization. 1 hydrogen ion here, and this is now the anion. Nice. So propanoic acid or ethanoic acid, it is monophasic because it has only 1 replaceable hydrogen atom. Are you following? Yes. Nice. So that's all for basicity of acids.